everybody, I'm Hannah.
And I'm Kevin.
And we're the married mixologists. Thanks so much, Stefanie, for recommending this cocktail, and big shout out to you, Alex, at Young's Market. This Fernet shot is for you.
Cheers. Today, we're going to be making a whiskey sour. We're going to start off with 2 ounces of Buffalo Trace, an excellent whiskey. Next, an ounce of lemon juice. Next, a half an ounce of simple syrup, maybe 3/4 if you like it a little sweeter. Next, you're going to put in the orange bitters. Then for just a little bit of zhuzh, some Angostura bitters. And shake. Once your cocktail is thoroughly mixed, drain it off. Look at that color.
There is a fun variation which I really love and stumbled across when I first started bartending called the New York Sour. If you're extra like me, you might like this because it's adding a little bit of extra booze to your cocktail. Desperate times call for desperate measures, so we've been going with the bulk wines lately. Take your bulk wine, turn your spoon over, and gently pour over your spoon. The reason we do this is so that the wine and the cocktail don't just get mixed right off the bat. You want that fun, nice layering. Once you added wine to your whiskey drink,
you need to just express a little bit of orange oil on the top of the cocktail, slip it in, cheers, and enjoy.